what's up? This is Bboy Vero from Bucheon City, Korea. Represent Jinjo crew. Big shout out to Dragon Style anniversary. I'm ready for the 200 battle and sharing with you guys. Yeah, I East too. See you there. Peace.
Hey yo, what's up? This is FE, represent Jinjo crew. Shout out to my clan, Dragon Style crew. Yeah, congratulations, your anniversary. Yeah, I'll be there and let's hang out together. Peace.
Hey! What's up? I'm Bgirl Yumi and Bgirl Narumi, represent Bodyguard crew from Japan. Big shout out for Dragon Style crew anniversary. We can't wait to be there and meet and share the time with all the people in the Bgirl in Beijing. See you soon. Bye!
Supernaturals, Puzzles here. I just want to give a quick shout out. Dragon Style 9-year anniversary, June 28th. Last year was dope. This year is going to be even better. I'm dabbling in it and very excited, so I'll see everybody else there. Peace!
Yo, what up? On 10 Supernaturals crew, Toronto, Canada. Just want to give a huge shout out to Dragon Style crew. Super excited to come down, kick it with you guys. Never been to Beijing. Yeah, let's party.
Yo, peace everybody, what's up, what's going on? Yo, for everybody out there in China, coming up soon, Dragon Style 9th anniversary, you heard what I'm saying? It's gonna be crazy. Peace and love and respect to Dragon Style crew, keeping it funky and official for 9 years straight, you heard, 9 years. So congratulations, keep up the good work, I'll see you guys next month, peace.
Yo, this is Bboy Physicx from FlLIPERO crew. Yeah, happy anniversary Dragon Style crew. See you soon in Beijing. Peace.
Yo, what's up? 我是大成 Bboy Vision。6月27号北京 Dragon Style Party， 不见不散。Peace.
What's up, everybody? This is me, DJ Spray from Seoul City, Korea. Happy anniversary, Dragon Style crew. I'll be there. It's gonna be dope. See ya in Beijing. Peace.
Yo, this is Bgirl 80 and this is Bboy Focus from FlLIPERO crew. We just released our new website bboydojo.com and with it we will be touring in China this June.
So do not miss our workshops while in China. They're gonna go deep into things, for example, like getting your form better in your footwork, understanding the music that we dance to, and also just overall making everything, even the small things, as powerful as possible.
We are looking forward to see our friend Kenny, aka Bboy Lil Most. He's been helping us with everything and making the tour possible, and we hope that he can tour with us and help with translations and make everything easier for us.
So yeah, overall we just can't wait to rock China. I want to give a big shout out to Dragon Style 9th anniversary. I'll see you guys in China this June.
Peace.
Yo, what's up? I'm Bboy Kevin from Star Space Crew. 在这里祝北京 Dragon Style 生日快乐，咱们北京见 ，Peace。
Hey yo， 我是 Bboy Twist， 欢迎全国的 Bboy 和世界的 Bboy 来到 Dragon Style 9周年，也祝 Dragon Style 生日快乐 ，Peace Love。
What up, yo? This is Roy. I want to give shout out to my man Kim and the Dragon Style anniversary night. We're gonna enter the battle, me and Twist. And whole time we're gonna enter the cipher, the battle, chilling with all the B-boys, B-girls. Yeah.
在这里呢，祝贺 Dragon Style 迎来第9个年头。在我的印象中呢 ，Dragon Style 算是中美第一支走出去，而且在国内非常有名气的团队。在这里呢，有我很多前辈和好兄弟，我几乎每年都会去参加 Dragon Style 的 Dragon Style 的 party。 所以今年我依然会去。6月27号、28号，北京见。Peace。